Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you guys how to do this color change without the staircase steps. What I mean by the staircase steps is that you can obviously see where the color changes occur. Some people don't mind the staircase steps, but if you want your amigurumi to have that extra neat and professional look, then keep watching. First step is to cut the yarn that you're working on, leaving an inch or so. Then pull the end that's been cut off through. Now you're going to thread the yarn through a yarn needle, and you're going to take the yarn needle and sew through the second stitch. Pull the yarn until it looks like an even surface. Then you're going to backtrack through the back and pull it through the middle. Now place the end yarn on top of the stitches. You're going to single crochet around the end yarn, sealing it within the single crochets. Take your color change yarn, make a slip knot, put your hook through it, tighten it, and stick your hook through the stitch after the fake stitch you've made. Keep in mind that the fake stitch is still considered a stitch that you'll be single crocheting into. Once your hook is in the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through. This is your first single crochet of your round. Now continue as normal with your pattern. When you're single crocheting around the end yarn, you can give it a little tug so it's not loose. Once you've single crochet all the way around, coming into the last stitch, which is the fake stitch, we're going to be picking up 3 loops instead of 2. Since this is a little trickier to show in video, I'll do it one more time. Now continue as normal with your pattern. Once you finish a couple of rounds, we can then tie the ends up so it doesn't come loose. For this knot method, don't make your first knot too tight. Tighten it enough so it lays on the project nicely without it distorting it. Second knot can be tighter, and third can be even tighter for more security. There's more than one method of sealing your ends off. I'm just showing you one way. Other methods, you can weave the ends in to lock them in place.